welcome back. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Reja and we're at Nambin Fashion. Today I'm here to show you guys one of our full body shapewear. We have actually many types of full body shapewears, but today I'm showing you one, and that is this right here. This is a double elastic belt full body shapewear, as you can see, and it has an elastic belt. It has two elastic belts, you can see here. They're elastic belts with laser bag for your logos, and this material is Neoprene. It actually has three materials. The inside is a TPU fabric. It's a waterproof material, so that when you sweat, you're not going to ruin the neoprene. And the middle is the neoprene one. And right here, the outside is all Velcro. You can see it's all Velcro. Every part is Velcro. So it's made of three materials, but it's mainly neoprene. So this is really recommended for those people who work out so that you can sweat. And as you can see, it has three benefits. If you want to lose your back fat, this is recommended because it's a vest, so it can cover your back fat, and then it covers your waist, and then it also covers your thigh. So it's like 3-in-1 shapewear edition. Okay, so that's not all. We have so many colors. This is the red one, but we have 7 colors: red, purple, pink, black, orange, yellow. Yeah, so we have many colors, so, and different sizes as well. Sizes from 3 extra small, if we want 6 extra large, and if you want more sizes like 10 extra large, just contact us. We can also provide it for you. And let me show you the inside. This waist trainer part, it has 9 flexible steel bones. You can see right here. It has 9 flexible steel bones for your back support. The more steel bones a waist trainer have, the more back support it's gonna give you. So this one has 9, and also it's a zipper one, and the zipper is YKK. Can you see it? It's a YKK zipper, the most strongest, expensive zipper worldwide. And yeah, so let me wear it and you're going to see how it looks. What this full body waist trainer looks like on my body. You can see the curve. This belt, the elastic belt, look how much it made me curvy. So the elastic belt, more than the other belts, will give you that extra tightness because it's elastic, so it holds you real tight, giving you this look at my shape right now. And also this waist trainer is a thigh shaper, so when you lose your thigh fat, it starts to show more of your butt, and it's going to be a butt lifter as well. It shapes your butt, makes you sweat on your thighs, on your waist, and your back fat. So it's like a 3-in-1 edition. So when you work out with this, you're going to sweat a lot, and you're going to see more effect. Okay, you can see it. So this belt is also another benefit. The more belt a waist trainer has, the more it shows off your curves. So that's one of the benefits of this waist trainer. And I told you if you want to print your logo, you can print it here on the laser bag. So this is it. This was the double elastic belt, full body neoprene shapewear or waist trainer, as you can see. So if you're interested in this, you can make sure to check out our website or send us an inquiry on our Instagram page. We'll get back to you. And if you like this video, you can give us a like, you can comment down below. Next time I'll come back with another of our full body shapewear on the next video. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.